healthy meal. So always people want to be healthy, but it's important to correct the food. So having a meal with all the nutrients required for the body is very important, especially making your food green dominated, more green. So here it is a moringa leaves and nalleru and vegetable chutney along with the groundnuts, and here it is curry leaves powder and the steamed vegetables and low temperature, slightly steamed, and of course it's properly soft ones. And this is a soaked millet for 12 hours and then boiled in a low temperature. So all the nutrients there, high protein food, so high protein diet, and the more antioxidant vitamins and very good immune booster. So that way you can have the meal like that, very balanced diet. Preparation is simple, and after eating also the digestion is simple.